Visual Paradigm Support Integration with Atlassian Jira. By Integrate with Jira, you can create or comment Jira issue from your diagrams. Let's see how it works. In order to perform integration, we first need to create API token in Atlassian and configure it into your Visual Paradigm application. In case you don't know how to configure this, then you can reference to our Confluence integration video at the top right. Once you configured the integration, we can start sending diagrams to Jira. Suppose we would like to create issue on this diagram. Select Project, Export, Jira, as New Issue. Select the target space. Specify the issue type, summary, and description. Specify the start and end date if needed. Then press OK to proceed. A prompt message will show once the issue being created. Switch to Jira. And here is the issue created from our diagram. The diagram being add to issue as attachment. Besides create new issue, we can also post comment to existing issue. To post a comment, go to Export, Jira, as comment. Select the target space and issue. Enter your comment. And press OK to proceed. Again, a prompt dialog will show once the comment being created. Switch to Jira again. And the comment automatically show inside the issue. Please note that Jira integrations supported since version 17.3, build 2025-1021. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.